Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your physician assistant's practice business. Patients often reach out to book appointments and ask health related questions, which can be a very overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all the questions and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for physician assistants practice business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general message like hi. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Care Connect Clinic. I'm here to help you with appointments, medications, follow-ups, and general health queries. Choose an option." And it has provided us 3 options, out of which I'm going to select the first one that says book appointment. And our chatbot is asking for preferred date. So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And next it is asking for reason to visit. So here I'm going to provide a dummy response as XYZ reason. And our chatbot responds us with, "We have received your booking on this given date for XYZ reason. We will confirm your slot shortly." Next, I'm going to choose the second option that says medications. And our chatbot responds us with, "Please provide your medication details." So here I'm going to provide my medication details. Like this. And our chatbot responds us with, "Thanks for the update. Our medical team will review your medication details and reach out if any adjustments are needed." So lastly, I'm going to select the health question option. And our chatbot responds us with all the contact details so that we can contact and ask our questions if needed. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for physician assistants practice business. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Physician Assistance Practice. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and with the help of a specific pattern, regex can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use this specific pattern, and you can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. From here, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here we have added little asterisk signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Now with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options like this, and now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with book appointment, and for this I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take details for the appointment like this, and here we are asking for preferred date. So in the contact custom field we are going to select date, and as format we are going to select date. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Here you can provide multiple number of attempts. I'm going to provide 3, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. And then I'm going to link it to book appointment quick reply option. Then I'm going to curate another question, and here I'm going to ask for reason for visit. And then I'm going to link it to question box again, and here I'm going to respond. And in the contact custom field I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button. And here I'm going to add like this, and it will appear like this to this message, which will appear like this to the user. We have received your booking on $date. Date was our contact custom field. On $sign will make sure that it gets replaced. Date was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. Similarly, add was our contact custom field, and it will make sure, and $sign will replace it by the actual reason for the visit of the user. We will confirm your slot shortly. Next, I'm going to move ahead with medications, and for this I'm going to use a question box again, and here I'm going to take medication details to respond with the medication follow-ups. Here we are asking for medication details, so here I'm going to provide add, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this message, which will appear like this to the user. Here we are saying thanks for the update. Our medical team will review your medication details and reach out if any adjustments are needed. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for health questions, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add, and here I have added all the contact details so the patient can reach out to us. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for physician assistance practice business. If you want to create the same, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.